am a royal priesthood. This is who I am, and I cannot change that. So, when you see me, treat me as royalty. When you see me, treat me as the daughter of the great I am.
Abantudlala abesiqakathekile kakhulu ngoba indlela esingakhuluma ngezinto esizibonayo elizweni lethu, indlela esinga-addressa ama-issues ezi-important kakhulu.
Wena njengomuntu ohlabelayo njalo oyimbongi, kubalulekile okungakanani ukuthola ithuba lokuveza umhlaba wonke jikelele imibono yakho ngendlela ebalulekile, ikakhulukazi uma sesixoxisana lezinto ezithinta inhliziyo zabantu?
Mina ngibona kulithuba esihle kakhulu nxa ngikwazi ukuthi abantu ngaphandle kwelizwe leZimbabwe bezwe ngami, bezwe inkondlo zami. And it's very important kimi personally njengomuntu oyenza ama-art ukuthi abantu abaningi bebekwazi izinto ezenzakalayo eZimbabwe, bebekwazi izinto ezihle ezenzakalayo eZimbabwe, njalo bebekwazi izinto ezibi nxa zikhona ezenzakalayo lapha elizweni lethu eZimbabwe. And lithuba futhi ukuthi abantu bebekwazi i-culture yethu.
Many times I ask myself, why would God choose me to be His daughter and His maidservant?
Kunzima okungakanani ukuba yimbongi?
Kunzima because abantu sebajayele ukubona besilisa. Yini personally futhi kunzima ngoba ubaba manje umuntu oyenza inkondlo. So xa abantu bembona babe lokho besithi indaba ungayenzi njengoba bakho.
Ukuba ngumzukulu kaNkosikazi Lozike kuyasiza na?
It plays a part. Ngoba ngiyaziqhenya about where I come from, who I am. And when I found out ukuthi uLozike is like ugogo, ngajabula kakhulu. So I use that as inspiration. So kuyang inspire nxa ngibhala kwezinye isikhathi.
I ask myself, why would God love me so much and raise me mercy each and every day and bestow upon me the favor like no other? This is why I stand proud and say I am a queen. Not because Mr. Bonoma Sharika is usually not a princess, but because I am his chosen.
Uyakhuthaza abatsha na ukuthi labo baziqhenye lamasiko abo?
Ngiyabakhuthaza because every time I perform, nxa like labona ngiperforma kumbe film videos, ngihlala ngiqala ngokuzithemba. Ngikutshela abantu ukuthi ngiyaziqhenya to being a Damasane, being uMadlodlo, being uMpangazeli. And into eqakathekileyo kimi, and that's what I want to give to abantu abatsha ukuthi liboziqhenya about who you are.
God loves you. When you look at the mirror, He loves you enough for you to be able to see yourself. When you hear my words, He loves you enough for you to hear with your ears. God loves you enough to ensure that you do not lack anything.